Hello there, Mr. Doodle here.
The bedroom is actually the first room that I started when I began doodling over the house. All the drawings in this room are themed around lots of sleepy characters.
And today I'm going to doodle a wormy type thing.
It's just such a great process. You feel almost like an out-of-body experience. You're just indulging yourself in this free-flowing state of creation, and it's just the best thing anyone can do, I think.
I've just bought this house. Big buzzes of doodles.